Hey guys, it's Sami again here. I was busy to record this one and my son called me and I had to disconnect this one, and that's why. Let's check it out again what we wanna do. This was our project till that time. This is how it looks like, and we want to make here in the next page we want to generate Ethereum wallet address or ERC-20 wallet address, public and private keys. And if take a look here, I have made a page as wallet and just nothing inside. And if you take a look carefully, we have here a form with one input is as username, and it is going to send information to this endpoint, and this is that endpoint. I have import just web3 web3 library, and just here, because we don't want to download Ethereum node about 500 gigabytes. I recommend you just go to this website, make easy an account, and with the endpoint you have access to all things, last block, transactions, everything what you want to know. And easily I say URL is equal to put it here, okay. And here again I'm saying from ETH account import account, okay. Okay, and here I want to say here user name, let me import secrets. What is this? Username, let's continue, is equal to request dot form dot get, and that is username, we know that. And here I say if username, I say here if username is none, it's nothing, then return is something something here. Let's check it out. I say like this, okay. If username is that, just return render template, and in that thing just wallet.html, give that to me back. And here I'm saying else let's copy that code from, I have made it here, guys. Here we are making a private key with the help of that library. I'm copied here from my code, and take a look here. We have to import secrets import secrets. Okay, and here it is going to make for me private key and public key, and just keys what you need. And let's now run it. The page is ERC generate. What I'm saying now, I say do this like this. If I'm going to generate is going to show me back this one. And take a look. I say Armin, for example, and you get key. Take a look here. This is your private key, and this is your Ethereum wallet address. This is a valid Ethereum address. Let's check it out. This is really a valid address. Let's check it out. That is really Ethereum Ether scan was that? Oh yeah, Ether scan. I go there and I say this, and you see balance 0. It is valid address. And each time when I'm going to say here I say give me one more. Oh, just wait a moment. Give me one more, and you get other one. Take a look here. Again 0. These are valid addresses here. And as you see here, you will be able to make ERC-20 address with your private key, and this key you have to save it somewhere, and you don't lose that. Okay, and this is actually when you say generate address, and here is it. You get address. And do you know what's that? Because I want to make these videos very fast, and we want to make a shorter time. And this is how you make a wallet with Python and with a library of Web3. Okay guys, let's check it out here. Yeah, that is okay. And guys, I see you in the next part.